Well, there's some people walking on the wall, but they're a bit away. Here we are in York. And we have my beautiful Canary. Can you imagine me walking farther and farther? You got about 10 minutes before they reach us.
Right, so how do we supposed to...
Nice slow poses with umbrella, baby. That's it.
In fact, I can stop while they come past.
Yeah, you can. I'll tell you when they're here. It's right overcast now. You know, dark. There's no rays in picture, baby. I'm trying to get some rays.
Oh, is it raining? I can't feel it because I've got that on.
No. But it's a lovely out that way, that suit.
Does it look nice?
Beautiful.
Really?
Yeah, you know very well, you crafty Canary.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do, you crafty Canary, you. That suits, doesn't it? Crafty Canary.
Yeah, that's what you call it.
This is a car park we usually park. Don't you remember parking down there? Parked down there loads of times.
I don't remember that.
Yeah, parked down there loads of times.
Really?
Yep. It's no cheaper in there than it is where we park now, otherwise I would have come down here. In the rain. Keep away from that edge, you. She's got flying over the edge. In the rain. You gonna do a tap dance? Gives a little whittle of your bum with umbrella. Canary. Do our darling. Carefully, don't fly like Mary Poppins. You'll just shoot into the sky with it. Baby, you'll just shoot into the sky in front of it. Andy Pandy.
Don't ever
Andy Pandy. Andy Pandy. Come on, pause it up a little. Oh, you put it in. Don't you worry, it'll be up alright, Jake. No. Remember that pose I showed you with umbrella?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, go on. Where's Wallace and Gromit, Val? You're not... No good hiding behind it. That's it. That's it. I love that suit.
Do you? Really?
Yeah.
Does it remind you of Andy Pandy? I'll do the Andy Pandy one.
You know Thunderbirds, remember them puppets on strings?
Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah.
How did they want that?
They were same walk, because it was strings, wasn't it?
Yeah, but no strings attached. But,
Yeah.
but yeah.
It was strings,
They were sort of like, hold on, I'll show these people how we did it.
It was strings controlling movements, that's why they call it Andy Pandy walk, didn't they?
Yeah,
Thunderbirds. But all puppets then was like strings.
Yeah, they all got with strings on them, sort of like. What do you call that woman?
Oh, it's like that dance, they were a dance craze.
Miss.
They were a dance craze doing.
Miss Penelope.
Oh yeah, Penelope, yeah. Lady Penelope. Lady Penelope.
Miss Penelope.
Look, you're just learning to walk. Oh, you're doing robot dance. Oh, go on, baby, do robot dance. Don't think you're mad. Let her think what I want. Oh no, cheat. Cheat, I'll only think you're pissed. Look at another drunk one. Another drunken lout. Another drunken lout. Go on, out. Like a puppy, do robot dance. Like a puppy, string, yeah.
Sing it to me.
I don't know words. Come on.
You have to play it then. Play it.
Do you know it looks amazing that? You know, right overcast sky and there's a bit of sun trying to come out of the back, you see it?
Yeah.
You know, picture's sort of dark, but you can see it right clear. Lovely, lovely. And we can tell we're on that wall of York. Oh, go on. Go on. No, what, you can do a moonwalk?
Yeah.
Come on then, do it.
Do moonwalk, by the way.
You can't do it then, baby. God. There was a lot of people there, I think.
Yeah, used to do moonwalk and all that dancing where he did.
Do something here. We'll wait till these people are past, Jake. Just keep away from edge.
I'm going off the edge.
What? No, no, off the wall. That was it.
Oh, yeah.
An LP want the cold off the wall. Yeah. How come you're not panicking? It's raining. Hey? You should be panicking now. Your hair will get wet. Georgie, we're waiting for Canary. What is it? Canary moonwalk? Baby.
It's just called Canary.
Canary moonwalk.
Yeah. Oh, I wish I got the trainers on now and all this stuff on that I could do it.
I think he's gonna. Do you know something? We're both gonna get soaked.
This is Michael Jackson.
Go on then.
I need music. So
Well, you got radio? On? Yeah.
Oh,
Did you bring it in
it's
back?
in the car.
Did you bring it?
Yeah, it's in the car.
Mind you, it's not a tape recorder. You can't just put on what you want.
I
You've
can
got.
the radio here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but moonwalk won't be on it, will it?
Oh no, this radio I mean.
Yeah, but if you had your own music, you could have put it on, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You could have put it on if you had your own music.
Oh, I felt right lovely then. I felt like I was going to go
Look at Linford Street.
Hey, God bless you now.
Now have you seen how long that is? You could throw it over the walls so you can listen to it. Jake, just say £5 to listen, you'll make a lot of money. I can hear it from here.
That's supposed to be.
I can hear it. Is that through headphones?
Yeah.
Bloody loud, it must be deafening. If I can hear that from here, yeah? Baby, if I can hear that from here, it must be deafening. Don't forget you to shake them tail feathers, Canary. Oh. Man, you ain't got heels on, so you can't. You're not gonna fall, are you? Keep away from that lovely there, that's it. Go on. Go other way so you go into the wall. That's it. You're safe now.
Oh no, that you don't do that.
He does.
No, you don't do that and then you go like that.
Oh yeah, there. That looks good.
Yeah, it will do.
No, because you were sliding your feet and it looked as though you were gliding.
No, it does, because that's how I used to do it robotic.
Go on then, baby. Canary. A demented canary on top of your car. Go on, slide, that's it. Come on, Canary, give us. That's it. Andy Pandy Canary moonwalk. Are you sort of like you were going to go over then? Your back were like arched. That belt suits, doesn't it? And a silver belt would have gone as well. But that gold, I think it goes one more what colour. You know why? Because you know in this light, that looks chocolate brown and polka dot.
Oh, does it?
You know, instead of yeah,
Instead of blue?
it's blue, but it looks chocolate brown in this light.
Right.
It's this light. It just makes the colour look brown. You know, instead of blue, it just looks brown.
Right.
Come on, Canary, give us moonwalk. That's it. Come on. And then do a double flip.
Oh, do that, no
And then a backward flip.
Right.
That's it. Oh, that's what's it called? Smooth criminal.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Go on, make them noises. What's them noises, chick? How do you do them? Yeah.
I didn't want to get that far.
God, I'm doing noises for you. God.
Right.
I'm doing noises for you.
Right.
Dun, 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 dun. Smooth canary. I'm just a smooth canary. This a performing canary. I'll have to busk you around York. Can I? Busking? I wonder how much money we'd make. No, how much money we'd make. You could hear a little out floor. I've got a dancing canary.
You know what we're going to do? If I can get my hat on the floor, leave it there, you will chuck some pennies in, I'll get some busting.
Yeah? Oh, canary. Birdseed.
Yes, I'm a birdseed, my trill.
Dancing for your trill. This is a lovely video, this. I tell you now, chick, this is... Oh, it's going to come down now. Oh, and I'll get that umbrella out, she's going to get it.